Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to group elements in Canva. So as you can see here, there are two pages on my design, and then each page has some elements and each element stands on its own. And I'm going to make this element as a group. So what you need to do is block the whole element like this, and then click on the three dots icon at the top and choose group. Click on group, and then as you can see, the element has been grouped like this, and if you click on this and then move them, it will move as a whole like this. Okay, so I'm going to make an example where you want to only group a certain element. So for example, I'm not going to use this as a group. You can just lock the element. So what you need to do is click on the element and then click on the three dots icon and lock the element. And I'm going to make the other element as a group like this. I'm just going to block except this, and then you can just do the same. Click on the three dots icon and click on group. So just like that, the element has been grouped like that. Okay, so that is how you can group elements in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you guys on the next tutorial. Bye bye.